Good morning, good day or good evening, boys and girls. This is Solarite, and this time I'm going to show you how to delete an audio track from a clip. Stay tuned. Well, it seems to be an easy task just to get rid of the audio track, and it certainly isn't a big problem for experienced users. However, as a starter beginner in DaVinci Resolve, it's a bit tricky to find out how to do it. So it happened to me, and I'm gonna show you how you solve this. So I have 3 clips here, and I want to get rid of the second clip's audio track. So if I click on it and then hit delete, always the same, you know, the video track is gone away as well. So the thing is, these two, they are linked. You know, if you click at one of those, you see that the audio track is going to be marked as well. So what you can do, you can unlink them. So right click on the track and hit link clips so that it's not selected anymore. So now you see that the chain symbol that you have on the other two small clips is not here anymore. And now you just can click the audio track and handle that. So now be careful, if you hit delete now, you see what happens. Again, both are gone. That's not what you want to do. I'm just going to undo it. So the best thing to do is mark it, select it, right click, and then click delete selected, or just enter the backspace button. So that's probably what you wanted. Well, as you said, it's an easy task, but difficult to find out at the beginning. I hope this was helpful to you guys. If you like this channel and if you like the content, consider to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. This would be very helpful. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and goodbye.